Well, this just got exciting. I'm out here working on the Civic and $1,000 suspension for the cressida. The cressida. We gonna open up this motherfucker right now. That's right. Bitch. This ain't no eBay shit. This ain't no Civic build. Woo! Got some stickers, you feel me? God damn. These are beautiful. Girl. We got the rear set up. Springs. Put the rear coils first. Alright, so old rear. So I decided to delete one of these rings. Go just a little tad lower with these. And then we'll see what it looks like. So I got one side all done. I can't even see it. Now I'm going to do the other side. Pretty much all you gotta do is unbolt the bottom of the shock, top of the shock, unbolt the sway bar, push down on the control arm, pull the spring out. Bada bing, bada boom. Yada dee, da da do. Alright guys, well I finished the last side, but now I'm like going back to the first side because I totally goofed it. There's still that big old bump stop and I need to take that girl out. So now I gotta take that coil back out and get the bump stop out. Pretty much restart. Okay, so the rear is all done. That is final fitment. Bump stops deleted. This is what your car will look like with Megan coilovers maxed out in the rear. They will not go any lower, but that's okay because we are right at rim, tucking good, no rubbing, perfect. Can't really ask for much more. Highly satisfied. Can't wait to get the front done. Alright, so now I am gonna hop in the Civic. I am gonna take the front coils with me to get them welded just like this. You know, I gotta say, it makes a huge difference having like a new steering wheel and a new shift knob. I don't know, it feels like the car drives better. Damn. Yeah, I've been filming the half. Alright. Now we gotta weld these fronts.
Can't get my GoPro working.
Hell yeah. Well. There it is. Damn. Hit that, hit that. Damn, bro, in there with the little slag. What is up, YouTube? So we are back at it. This is the following day of getting the coils welded. I'm just now taking the front apart. And here is the 7M swap. I don't know if I've showed this on the channel yet. I think I just found a vacuum leak, but I'm gonna ignore that. Alright. Got the first one out. I noticed I need to paint my control arms. I forgot. Now they kind of have some surface rust. Okay. So, pretty much what I'm gonna do is compress this one a little bit, measure the length, and get the coil the same, because that's pretty much the height I want to be at. Okay, get the first one installed. Not really sure if the right height is good. I still got a lot more I can go, but I'm gonna get the other side in. Well, it's like as low as I can go, because the coils were cut way too short. Thank you, Forrest, if you're watching this. The rear is perfect. Ooh. So this is like the final height. The rear is sitting really good. I like the rear. The front's had to go up just a little bit. But it rides a lot better. I'm satisfied.